What is up everyone, this is Karen here. Welcome back again to Tech Karen YouTube channel. As if you've rooted your device and installed Magisk, and if you want to try out some cool interesting sound modes on your device, maybe you have already tried out a lot of sound modes like Dolby Atmos Viper for Android and maybe some other. We also have very interesting kind of sound mode available for you, which is from Sony. It has very interesting kind of options available for you. For example, in equalizer, if you move on here, you have a lot of extra options available for you: pop, jazz, etc. A lot of things you can customize according to your own preference. We have the surround sound where you can customize your headphone sound to club, you can use a concert hall, and a lot more options. And yes, one of the best ever sound modes out there for Android. Of course, if you have rooted your device and you have installed Magisk, then why don't you install these kind of Magisk modes, because these are very interesting modes, especially for the music lovers. You should definitely give it a try if you want to. Clear stereo, clear phase, X loud, including that clear audio plus dynamic normalizer, automatic optimization, things you need to try out on your own, by the way. So I am not gonna share with you all the settings because I haven't applied these settings yet. Of course, I'm not a big fan of music kind of things. I don't listen music mostly. I listen, but not from my headphones and earphones basically. But one of the best kind of Magisk modules out there, so you should give it a try if you want to. Link for this thing is in the description. What is this? This is sound enhancement Sony Xperia 10, an EQ ported from Sony Xperia 10. Basically all the things are already included and all the credits goes to Ray Ruki, who is the developer behind this module. Of course, the installation is like other Magisk modules which you already have tried out on your device. How to install these Magisk modules? You simply need to install from storage, as these are the third-party modules. These are not from the Magisk store. So this is the latest Magisk version which I am using right here, Magisk 23. And how to install this? Of course, make sure you also have the latest Magisk version installed on your device. And here I already installed it to show you the installation process. Let me just show you that I have uninstalled this module to show you that how you can install this thing on your device. In my case, I tested it on Android version 11 running custom ROM. You can give it a try on other Android versions also. Moving on here, this is the file which you need, and it's about approximately 15 MB, so you need to keep this thing in your mind while downloading this. You click and it will be installed successfully. As you can see, SDK 30, which means my device is Android version 11. Maybe you also have the Android version 11, and like this, after the installation, you simply need to reboot your device. You are good to go. All the settings you can give it a try if you want to. One of the best ever sound modes out there. You definitely need to try it out. This is all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.